last week in Ecuador was one of the most stressful times on our trip so far. So many things went wrong that I can't even keep track of them all now. But somehow we managed to chuck everything in Ruby and hit the road. And then even more things went wrong along the way. With a little help from our friends, we got through it and did the most ridiculous drive to the border. It was brutal. It was brutal. It ended up taking us 13 hours, and at points we were driving in low visibility on a dirt road across a mountain. And if you've ever driven a VW at night, you know that the lights aren't the greatest and the visibility isn't best. So that was tiring. But we made it to Peru, and literally the first thing we did on Willow's birthday was find a hotel with a pool, and we spent 2 days on a recliner with bar service, drinking cocktails. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. And now we find ourselves on a free camp spot in a small town called Lobito. Lobito apparently was started by a British oil company. I didn't realise just how big oil was in Peru. And driving through the deserts, all you see are the nodding donkeys. Not quite sure what their purpose is, but they're everywhere. Apparently this British oil company set up this town, and here was the home of the first ever cinema in South America in the early 1900s. At some point in the 1940s, however, the Peruvian government seized the land and built a military base here because of growing conflicts with Ecuador. Now those problems are long gone, and so is the military base. There's just some scattered buildings here since it's been abandoned, and it is now a popular surf destination. Now our plan is to stay here for at least a week, finish off some of the jobs we need to do on Ruby, including repairing the 90% completed roof rack. We might even get the surfboards down and spend some time falling off them repeatedly into the sea. We are both super tired and looking forward to a proper rest and getting used to Ruby again. It's a week of living in Ruby for Lexi as well, who's doing it absolutely amazing. She's loving it, running around. She's found out how to climb on the roof and join Amy up there, so she's having a great time. So it'd be nice to have a week of free camping and save some money and start planning what's next, really. We only have 3 months in Peru, and this time we can't renew, so we're going to have to get our skates on for a change. But we're hoping the work we've done on Ruby put us in good stead from now on, and once we get the little bits done, maybe soon there'll be a time where we don't need to visit a garage in every country. Be nice, right? So this is going to be a short and sweet video today. As you see, we got a lot to enjoy, and once we are better rested, I'll take you around the abandoned military base and show you just what Peru's all about. Catch you soon.